So we start off today's video with these stones. So she's spray painting these gold. And then placing the stones on this black plywood. Looks like this is gorgeous. Wow. Such a simple design too, but it's beautiful. Hello everyone, welcome back to Design Trend Seeker. So if you are new around here, my name is Danielle, and on this channel we like to take a look at trending DIY project ideas and react to them. So this next one looks like it might be of a furniture flip. Oh, very pretty blue color here. Now this looks like some type of shelving. Wow, very cool. Love the blue and the gold. Very nice. And then we have some type of bucket here. Now, they did show us the end result for what they're going to be making, but I didn't really get a good look at it, but it looks like she's adding in some handles. Oh, I like the stud detailing. Very cool design for the toilet paper. I'm thinking we have some kind of side table for the next one. This looks like something that you would have out on your patio. Or maybe she's making like a cool ottoman. Oh, and you can put books on this side. Oh, that's cute. Very nice. We have some type of cone here. I'm thinking this DIY is of some kind of lamp. I don't know, what do you guys think? See the black with the gold. Yeah, definitely some sort of lamp. Like a hanging lamp. Wow, very nice. All right, so we have 2 pieces of wood here. egg carton. Whoa, they make a flower out of the egg carton? Wow, that is pretty cool. And it's for their coffee mugs. Oh, that's cute. Very nice. And a few little teacup plates. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed checking out these project ideas with me today. If you did, please be sure to give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.